occur when the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. It occurs on new moon day, that is the moon passes between the sun and the earth, blocking the path of the light coming from the sun and casting the shadow of the earth. Let's take a look on different types of solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse occurs when the moon completely covers our view of the sun. It occurs on full moon day. The total solar eclipse is almost dark as night. Partial solar eclipse. Partial solar eclipse is what you see only a part of the sun is covered by the moon. Now, annual solar eclipse. Annual solar eclipse occurs when the moon and sun are exactly in line with the earth. But the size of the moon is smaller than the sun. Hence, sun appears as a very bright fire ring. Umbra. Umbra is the center dark portion of the shadow. The moon umbra causes total solar eclipse. Penumbra. Penumbra is the light outer part of the shadow. The moon penumbra causes partial solar eclipse. This is all about my model. Thank you. My name is Shreya. Today I am going to talk about the 8 phases of the moon. Let's start. The first is new moon, second waxing crescent moon, third quarter, fourth waning gibbous moon, fifth full moon, sixth waxing gibbous moon, seventh first quarter, eighth waning crescent moon. In between these, the moon goes through multiple stages of partial illumination during its difficult phases. These are the banana-shaped crescent moon, the D-shaped quarter moon, and the almost complete gibbous moon. Finally, each phase is also named after its position in the full 29.5 days cycle based on whether it is growing or shrinking. Thank you. Today I am going to present the working model of solar eclipse. As we know, moon revolves around the earth and the earth also revolves around the sun and rotates on its axis. A time comes when the moon passes in front of the sun, causing a dark shadow to fall on certain portions on the earth. Then a solar eclipse occurs. At this time, the sun, moon and the earth are in the same straight line. The eclipse is not seen from every place, but from the locations where the shadow falls. From these locations, it appears as if the sun has gone dark. That's why it is called solar eclipse. It always occurs on the new moon day. One more point I want to add about umbra and penumbra. The umbra is the portion of the moon's shadow where the moon completely covers the sun, where we cannot see the sun at all. Penumbra is the area of the shadow where only a portion of the moon is in front of the sun, which lets us see only a part of the sun. Thank you.
What is an eclipse? When the sun, moon and the earth are in a straight line in which the sun or the moon is hidden by the shadow of the moon or the earth, then this natural phenomena is called the solar eclipse. What is a solar eclipse? When the sun, moon and the earth are in a straight line in which the moon is in between the sun and the earth, blocking the rays of the sun from reaching the earth, then this phenomena is called the solar eclipse. When the moon partially blocks the light of the sun from reaching the earth, it is called the partial solar eclipse, and the region where the moon blocks the light of the sun partially from reaching the earth is called the penumbral region or the penumbra. When the moon totally blocks the light of the sun from reaching the earth, then this is called the total solar eclipse, and the region where the moon totally blocks the light of the sun from reaching the earth is called the umbral region or